you're someone who makes decisions, typically, let's say if you are the head of the family, or somebody who makes decisions in your teams, in your business, you are running a business, if you're an entrepreneur, or let's say in general, you're making decisions for yourself. Every single day you do it, right? And now let's say the first part is you think something and you make a decision based out of a choice, based out of certain requirements that you have, that you make a decision. The first part is under your control. The second part, now after you have made the decision, the consequence or the outcome of it, the result of it, is that in your hands? The answer is no. It's out of your control. So the consequence is the second part. Like whatever decisions and choices you have made, the consequence comes after that. Now the third part of it. Now whether the consequence is coming out as per your expectation, then everything is well to do, right? Everything is good. But let's say when the consequences turn ugly, and it is something which is beyond your expectation, it is something that you don't want to happen, then what do you do? That is the main question. Because whatever happened, the choices you made, which was under your control, but the consequence which turned out is not under your control. So now the third part is, how do you respond or react? If you are someone who is going through challenges, who is going through certain kind of guilt, certain kind of regret, certain kind of feeling that why did I make this decision? I could have done better. Now how can I go back and rectify? What should I do to fix it? Etc. etc. Then you need to understand that there are certain important things that you need to implement in your life. The first and foremost, one of the thing is you need to first pause and start analyzing yourself. And yes, there is a detailed method how to do that as well. Because once you start understanding what you did, why you did, and how not to repeat the same mistake again, then it becomes easier for you to do anything in life, right? Especially making decisions. So how to come out of this phase in a step-by-step manner and how not to repeat the same mistake again, you are going to learn everything in this book, which is 7 steps from shame to being back in the game. This is available on Amazon, and this is what I have penned down everything, all the steps, that how when you are in that phase, how to come out of it. Because I myself had made certain choices, certain decisions in life, which you would understand over here, which led me into a rock bottom phase in my life. Personal, professional does not matter. Everything boils down to the same thing, your decision-making ability. How you handle or how you respond to the situation which is not under your control. And once you apply this, once you implement the steps out there, you start seeing the changes that are happening in your life, in your business, or the segments that you want to get the answers from. So go and grab your copy today and ensure that you implement the steps. If you feel like, oh, I have done it before but it did not work for me, wait, do it again. Maybe you did not do it in a proper sequence or something, who knows? So go ahead and apply the steps that are there in the book. This is available on Amazon, and share with me what are some of the things that absolutely changed in your life. I'll see you soon. This is Somdutta Sarkar. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, share and like this video, and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any upcoming video every week. See you soon. Thank you so much.